With manufacturers, retailers, and online sellers all seeking reliable storage and distribution hubs, demand for modern warehouse facilities is at an all-time high. For foreign investors, setting up a warehousing company in Vietnam is highly attractive because the law allows 100% foreign ownership, giving you full control of your investment without restrictions on equity. Vietnam's rapid economic growth, booming international trade, and fast-rising e-commerce market have made warehousing services one of the most in-demand sectors in logistics. To begin, foreign investors must follow a clear three-step company setup process in Vietnam. Step 1. Apply for the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, which usually takes 2 to 3 weeks and confirms your legal right to invest in warehousing and storage services. Step 2. Once the IRC is approved, apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC. This certificate officially incorporates your company and records warehousing as your business line. The ERC is typically granted within 1 week. Step 3. Complete essential post-licensing tasks, such as making the company seal, registering for taxes, and opening a corporate bank account to receive capital contributions. Together, these steps provide the full legal foundation for your business and allow you to officially operate warehousing and storage services under Vietnamese law. When registering, your company must select business lines under the VSIC code 5210 for warehousing and storage services. Depending on your operations, you can include subsectors such as general warehousing, bonded warehouses, cold storage for food and pharmaceuticals, or specialized storage for chemicals and high-value goods. Selecting the right scope ensures compliance and smooth licensing. Vietnam does not set a fixed minimum capital for warehousing companies, but your declared capital must reflect the scale of your planned facilities. In practice, foreign-invested warehousing companies register between 10,000 and 1 million USD, depending on whether they operate small storage centers or large-scale logistics hubs with cold chains and automation. Authorities will review whether your declared capital is realistic for your business plan. A warehousing company must have a registered head office supported by a valid lease contract. In addition, physical land or facilities are required to operate warehouses. Investors usually lease land in industrial parks, export processing zones, or economic zones, as these areas provide ready infrastructure and simplified procedures. Virtual offices may be used for company registration, but actual warehouses must be approved and inspected for compliance. Certain types of warehousing require additional permits. For example, bonded warehouses must be approved by the Customs Authority, and cold storage facilities must comply with food safety regulations. Warehouses storing hazardous materials require environmental and safety approvals. Your company must also comply with fire safety standards and labor regulations. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors step by step in setting up warehousing companies in Vietnam. From company registration and business scope selection, to leasing industrial land, applying for bonded or cold storage licenses, and ensuring compliance with customs and environmental law, our bilingual team makes the process smooth and efficient. Don't let complex procedures slow down your warehousing project. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn for a free consultation. Your warehousing company will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to serve Vietnam's growing logistics and supply chain demands.